Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making something so simple, totally no bake, and absolutely delicious. Gluten-free Millionaire's Rice Krispie cake bars. They're crunchy, gooey, chocolatey, basically all the best bits in one. Let's get started. First, line an 8 by 8 inch square tin with non-stick baking paper. Try to leave a little overhang so you can lift the whole slab out later. Now, for the base. Measure your Rice Krispies. You will need 200 grams. Leave them in a bowl for later. Grab a large saucepan on low heat and pop in 50 grams of butter and 200 grams of marshmallows. Stir constantly until everything is melted and glossy. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes on a gentle heat. Keep the pan moving so the marshmallow doesn't stick or scorch. Add the Rice Krispies straight into the pan and fold them through so every flake is coated. Work quickly while it's sticky. Then tip the mixture into your lined tin and press it down firmly. For the caramel, use a clean saucepan. Melt 185 grams of butter with 20 grams golden caster sugar, 20 grams of soft brown sugar, and 65 grams golden syrup over a low to medium heat. Once the sugar is dissolved and the ingredients combined, you can add a whole can of condensed milk. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly. You want to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep it bubbling slowly and stir the whole time. You're aiming for a thick, golden, glossy caramel that coats the back of a spoon. When the caramel is ready, pour it evenly over your Rice Krispie base. Spread it out to the edges and try to keep the top as smooth as possible. Then, pop the tin into the fridge and chill for at least an hour. Once the caramel is chilled and firm, it's time for the chocolate top. I melted mine in the microwave, checking it every 20 seconds. I used milk and dark chocolate, but you can just use one if you prefer. I also sprinkled some white chocolate chips on the top, but this is just optional. Return the tin to the fridge for another 30 to 60 minutes until the chocolate is fully set. Once everything's firm, use the parchment overhang to lift the slab out of the tin. Place on a board and slice.